Hello Tiny Tots. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feathercap. How all are you? I hope you all are doing great. Now today I want to know about your favorite games. So tell me, which game do you like the most? Cricket, badminton, football, basketball or any other game or any type of board games? Do tell me. Okay, now I am having a special thing for you, that is a rose. So you all are very special. So I have brought a rose for you. And our today's topic is also regarding this. So we have the topic, this is me. We will learn about me, like now, take the correct picture and paste your photograph below. You should all carry a photograph with you now. You have to paste it below. First, I am a boy or a girl. You have to tick on the picture. Like if you are a boy, you have to tick here, and if you are a girl, you have to tick here. I am a girl, so I will put a tick mark here. Okay, I will put a tick mark here. Now I will paste a photograph here and you will also paste a photograph here. Okay, and our today's topic is about me. I am very special, as we will start with this now. This is a poem. Okay, I am special. I am special. I am special. So are you, so are you. We are very special, we are very special. Yes, it's true, yes, it's true. Okay, so do learn this and practice this rhyme at home with your mama and papa. And we all are very special. Your parents are also very special. You are also very special. Your friends are also very special. We all are very special. I hope you all like this rhyme. Do sing it with me once more. I am special. I am special. So are you. So are you. We are very special. We are very special. Yes, it's true. Yes, it's true. Okay, do sing it at home. Bye bye. Till then, I will see you in the next class. Bye bye. Happy learning.